Many consumers read online reviews before buying, and they often trust them. Trustpilot offers structured review collection. Its free plan sends 50 invitations monthly, while the starter plan at $99 per month billed annually provides 100 invitations. Trustpilot-backed travel listings drive 57% higher click-through rates. Set up your free profile. Next, Yelp focuses on local discovery with many reviews. A free business listing allows responses and photo uploads. While core features are free, Yelp ads cost $3 to $6 per click. Claim your free Yelp listing to begin. Meanwhile, Google Business Profile reviews are free and critical for local SEO. They appear prominently in search and maps. Businesses with more positive reviews rank better. Create and verify your free profile to manage reviews. Building on that, reviews significantly influence purchases. 92% of consumers report reading online reviews before making a purchase decision. Many consumers trust online feedback, though this can vary. Customers read 10 reviews before trusting a business. Implement a review strategy. Finally, integrate review collection into your workflow. For example, Trustpilot's starter plan offers 100 invitations monthly for $99. After every purchase or service, automatically send a review request. Develop a consistent strategy. You've learned how Trustpilot, Yelp, and Google reviews influence buying decisions. Now watch our video on automating customer service.